put Atlanta Airport as file.
Ground speed's 96 knots, we're not exactly smoking it.
707, runway 26 right, clear line.
26 right, clear to land, 73924.
Delta 2305 to departure, have a great night. Tell that Cessna have fun, welcome to the ATL.
And Peachtree clearance 73924, got IFR to Atlanta, should be in there now.
Okay, stand by, let's see, can we find. Number 739, you put Atlanta Airport as file, currently maintains 3,000, departure frequency 6.97, 5117.
Okay, that's cleared to Atlanta as filed, up to 3,000, 126.907, squawk 5117, 73924.
73924, are you back correct?
Okay, we're gonna get started up and we'll call you in a second, thank you. Alright, you start with the checklist.
Carb heat is off, brakes are set, prime, prop, clear!
Nice.
Master on, mixture rich, max to start. Full pressure. Good. Lights is required, mixture lead for taxi.
And 12697 is going to be departure. Now let's go get the ILS dialed up for Atlanta. We're here. Plates, ILS for 26 right. Let's do 110.1. Peachtree ground 73924 with Yankee. IFR ready taxi.
Number 73924, runway 21 right, taxi via Bravo Echo, cross runway 16 at Echo. Proceeding to run up area 21 right and advising run up is complete.
Alright, taxi to 21 right via Bravo Echo, cross 16, and we'll call you when our run is complete. 73924. Okay. Cross 16, so we're going to go ahead and cross, but make sure we're good to go. Looks like we are. Okay,
Run
good.
up complete.
Okay. We're ready. Okay, so let's all tell him we're ready. You can call him and tell him, let's see what this guy, where's he landing? He's on 2-1 left. Let's just wait for him to land and then we'll call him. We need to get Atlanta ATIS too. Actually, we can get ATIS right now. That'll save us a step because we're going to be there in such a hurry. So let's grab ATIS for 11964.
November 73924, run up is complete.
73924, hold your position there. Let me call Atlanta because I see you going to Atlanta. I'm going to apparate, make sure you can go down there direct. Stand by.
Will do. Appreciate it. We'll see if they let us in. I hope so. If not, we'll just go fly around a little bit.
Number 73924, hold short 21 right.
Hold short 21 right, 73924.
73924, I'm under tower.
Over to tower, 73924, thanks.
73924, Peachtree Tower, cross runway 21 right.
Cross 21 right, 73924.
73924, left heading 09021, left at Golf, clear for takeoff.
Alright, heading 090 at Golf, 21 left, clear for takeoff, 73924. Hey, your airplane.
My airplane.
Anticipate right rudder. Airspeed's alive, engines in the green.
60 knots.
Yep.
Rotate. 090, alright.
Yeah, you can go ahead and make that turn, that's fine.
November 924, contact line departure.
Over to departure, appreciate the help, 9024. Atlanta approach, Cessna 73924 is off Peachtree cab, 1,800 for 3,000.
Cessna 73924, Atlanta departure, ident, maintain 3000.
Maintain 3,000, 73924.
Cessna 924, radar contact, half a mile southeast of Peachtree. The altimeter 3007. Advise ATIS Mike at Atlanta.
3007, and we have Mike, 73924.
Cessna 924, plan visual approach, runway 26 right.
Visual 26 right, 73924. Get to 3,000, this is awesome. Feel good?
Yeah.
I do too. Looking good. Pretty day. Pretty night. If I can see any other traffic heading to Hartsfield, there's like 3 in line, 4. You know how we talked about being precise, right?
Yeah.
090. See it? 3,000. That's precision.
Cessna 73924, fly heading 180.
180, 73924.
Cessna 73924, contact Atlanta approach on, let me get a frequency for you. Just stay with me for now, Cessna 924.
Stay with you, 924. 180 3000.
LabQuest 840, climb and maintain 111000.
Climbing 11,000, LabQuest 840.
LabQuest 840, contact Atlanta Center 134.905.
Nail it, good job. 3495, LabQuest 840. Y'all have a good one.
Cessna 73924, contact Atlanta approach 124.72.
12472, 73924. Atlanta approach, Cessna 73924, 3000.
73924, Atlanta approach, Mike's current visual approach, runway 26 right.
We got Mike, 73924.
There it is.
Yep. So he's going to fly us down here, 3000, good.
Line first Delta 343 to cross altitude 12,250 knots, passing through 14,300. Information, Mike.
So 343, Atlanta approach. Good evening. Stand by for runway. Cessna 924. Proceed, correction, flighting 210. Keep your speed up.
210, expedite 73924.
Delta 2049, contact tower 119.1, good day.
19-1, good day, Delta 2049.
FedEx 530 Heavy, Atlanta approach, runway 26 right.
26 right, FedEx 530 Heavy.
And November 924, are you just going to park at Peachtree? Are you doing a taxi back? What's the intention here?
Taxi back, takeoff would be great. Appreciate it. 924.
Okay, Roger. Yeah, just make that request to the tower. They'll have that, I'm sure, taxi back for you here.
Good deal, thanks. Okay. All right, I got the airplane.
Delta 343, expect runway 26 right.
26 right, Delta 343.
Only because we're going to Bravo.
FedEx 530, disregard.
220. And we're going to keep our speed up. He's got us pointed right towards the runway.
Delta 343, fly your present heading, descend and maintain 9,000.
We're always going to be trim.
9,000, present heading, Delta 343.
And you can see for days. Got all our lights on.
Yeah.
Our landing light on. Let's let everybody see us.
FedEx 530 Heavy, descend and maintain 5,000. FedEx 530 Heavy, descend and maintain 5,000.
Big plane.
FedEx 530 Heavy, Atlanta.
530, go ahead, go ahead.
Yes, sir. FedEx 530 Heavy, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, FedEx 530 Heavy.
119.1 is tower. Ground speed's 96 knots. We're not exactly smoking it.
FedEx 530 Heavy, clear direct to AJ on the final.
Clear direct to AJ, FedEx 530.
Delta 343, reduce speed to 210, then descend and maintain 6,000.
Speed 210, then descend and maintain 6,000, Delta 343.
Such a good shot over here. You got it. Almost to the Bravo.
Cessna 924, if you're able, proceed direct the numbers for 26 right, advise the airport in sight.
Proceed direct the numbers. We've got the airport in sight. 73924.
924, clear visual approach, runway 26 right. Keep your best speed as long as you can, please, for jet traffic to follow.
Clear for the visual for 26 right. We'll keep our speed up. 73924. Appreciate it.
Yes.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Delta 343, fly heading 190.
Heading 190, Delta 343.
FedEx 530 Heavy, descend and maintain 3,000.
Out of 5,000, 3,000, FedEx 530 Heavy.
He wants us to direct the numbers, so let's do that.
Cessna 924, contact tower 119.1.
119.1, 73924. Atlanta Tower, Cessna 73924 on the visual for 26 right.
Delta 992, RNAV to Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear takeoff.
Okay, RNAV to Snuffy, clear for takeoff, 26 left, Delta 992.
November 73924, Atlanta Tower, wind 1707, runway 26 right, clear line.
26 right, clear to land, 73924.
American 52, runway 26 left, off wait.
26 left, line up and wait, American 52.
Let's get on down to 2000.
I see that other plane. Is he land? What runway is he land?
They're also using 27 left, I believe, or keep our speed up, and then I'm going to slow us down. We're going to dump a bunch of flaps down. We've got jet traffic out to the left, but we are cleared to land.
American 52, RNAV to Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear takeoff.
Arnett, Snuffy, 26 left, clear for takeoff, American 52.
Alright.
Number 924, low altitude alert, check your altitude immediately, altimeter is 3007.
Yep, we're on it, 73924, appreciate it.
7992, contact departure.
I see Delta 982.
Not used to us being so low. Final's clear. I see the runway. Final's clear. We're looking good. All right, let's slow down and get some flaps in. White arc. Dumps flaps. First 10 degrees.
Wow.
Take some video, dude, again. 20 degrees. Full flaps, so I'll slow down. Gas, undercarriage, fixture, drop, and seatbelt.
American 52, contact departure.
American 52 over departure.
There's the Porsche Center right there. Oh, wow. Little crosswind. Get over the numbers, will slow down there. On glide path. Cleared to land, 26 right, Hartsfield, Jackson. Now we'll slow down. Runway's made.
Delta 2035, run out the Snuffy, runway 26 left. Clear takeoff.
Delta 2305, run out Snoopy, clear for takeoff, 26 left.
Whoa.
Alright.
On a rubber.
924, make the right turn, then make a left on Alpha, taxi to parking with me.
We'll make a right off 26 right, and we'd like to do a taxi back if that's okay.
Say again?
I'd like to just do a taxi back and take off if that's possible.
Did you guys file a flight plan?
Yeah, I've got a flight plan back to PDK.
Okay, yeah, no worries, man. Number 924, make the right turn there, hold short of 26 right at the approach end, and I'll read your new flight plan when you get a second.
Awesome, thanks so much, 73924.
FedEx 530 Heavy is on the final for runway 26 right.
FedEx 530 Heavy, wind 1608, 26 right, clear land.
26 right, clear land, FedEx 530 Heavy.
And November 924, going back to PDK via the Atlanta 9 departure area vectors, pretty much direct. Just maintain 4,000 feet. Departure frequency 126.907. Your new squawk will be 5151.
To PDK Director, 4,000, 126.907, 5151 on squawk, 73924.
Correct, yeah, as long as you guys make this flight plan, you did it correct. You guys good to go. So taxi to 26 right, hold short of the approach end. Thanks, man.
26 right, we'll hold short. Really appreciate the help. This is amazing. 73924.
Yeah, no worries.
All right, let's get a new squawk, 5151. Oh, you did already. And let's tune us up.
Wait, so there's no landing fee?
Not if we don't go in. I mean, maybe they'll build one, but... And 126.907.
What is that, a 7? Looks like a 760. Oh, 777? Oh.
Pictures.
Delta 2305, contact departure.
Delta 2305 to departure, have a great night. Tell that CESSNA to have fun, welcome to the ATL.